some of the major issues that we are raising before that house, they don't have anybody to give answers to. When the executive appear before any committee in that assembly, they do not have even answers to some of these questions we are asking. So we are here to ask both His Excellency the President and the Prime Minister, Honorable Raila Odinga, that things are getting out of hand in Nairobi. And if there is no solution to these problems, the taxpayers' money will always be used, and there will never be a solution to these problems.
A few individuals at the county assemblies are paid to look away because they hold the mantle of leadership. And we believe that if things are not corrected in Nairobi, if the President and Right Honorable Raila Odinga do not stamp their foot in Nairobi, then things are going to get worse. The President is going to be constantly blamed for poor governance, because he has allowed Nairobi to be managed and to be run by somebody who had no professional credence to run Nairobi. Things with Governor Sakaja are not looking good. And if they are allowed to degenerate further, the citizens of this county will continue to complain of poor services, will continue to complain that the national government is not looking after them, while the problem starts with the county here. We have